Hi everyone, welcome back to another episode from Crazy Gamer. Today in this video we will be learning how you can auto crouch in Modern Combat 5 Blackout. The auto crouch feature is designed to enhance gameplay by automatically positioning your character into a crouched stance when approaching cover. So in order to do that, first of all, open up the Modern Combat 5 Blackout app on your device. Now from this main home page, tap on the drop down at the top right corner to open the menu, from where you'll need to tap on the gear button. Inside settings, after you do that, you will see the controls button which you should press on, and inside controls, go ahead and swipe to another page where you will see the auto crouch option. Simply tap on that, and after you switch on this option, automatically your character will be in a crouched position whenever you are near cover. So that way your character will automatically crouch when nearing cover, streamlining your movements during gameplay. That's how you auto crouch in Modern Combat 5. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe. I will see you in the next episode. Thank you for watching.